This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers cutting-edge automatic door functions for both convenience and security. To lock and unlock your G90 doors remotely, use the included Smart Key Fob when it is within range. Your G90 can also be set to automatically detect your Smart Key when it gets within 40 inches of the vehicle, and then automatically unlock the vehicle doors. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect Approach Unlock. The G90's doors can also be set to initially unlock only the driver's side front door on approach. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and select or deselect to press Unlock. After enabling, when the driver's door handle unlocks and pops out, simply touch the sensor on the outside door handle within 4 seconds to unlock all the remaining doors. Pull the door handle to open the door and ensure your hand does not touch the door lock-unlock sensor again, as that may reactivate the door lock function. When approaching from the passenger side, the G90's doors will remain locked, even if you are carrying the paired Smart Key Fob. To unlock the vehicle, simply press the engraved section of the outside door handle to unlock all doors, and all the door handles will pop out. If equipped with the Easy Close function, your G90 can automatically close its doors with a press of a door switch. If full closed, start by pressing the door open switch to automatically open the door approximately 7.9 inches. To automatically close a door, press the corresponding door close switch for the door you wish to close. When sitting inside, press the door close button on the front center console, door trim or rear armrest control console. When outside the vehicle, press the engraved section of the exterior door handle in order to automatically close the door. By using the link to brake pedal function, you can automatically close the driver's side front door by pressing the brake pedal down. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, Auto Close Door Options, and select or deselect Link to Brake Pedal. To close the doors remotely from outside, point the Smart Key Fob towards the vehicle and press and hold the door lock button for over 3 seconds while the engine is turned off. The power doors of the G90 also include a soft close feature. If the doors are not closed completely but are closed to the first detent position, a motorized feature will help the doors close automatically. In the event of a complete power failure, the doors of the G90 can still be locked and unlocked, and opened and closed, using traditional mechanical means. To unlock the driver's front door from the outside, hold the door handle while pressing the front part of the outside door handle. Then remove the cover under the rear part of the door handle. Insert the mechanical key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise to lock or counterclockwise to unlock the door. After unlocking with the mechanical key, remove the key and release the door handle. To exit your G90 while seated inside, press the power door button on the door panel to unlock all the doors. If the door does not open with the power door button due to battery discharge or vehicle breakdown, pull the emergency open lever under the door pocket twice to open the door. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.